collect in these areas to support the mission of teaching and learning, to fill the curricular needs of faculty, and to make these collections available for research to the general public. It's discovery. Sometimes you find something you didn't know you wanted to know or were looking for, and it just gives them a different perspective to see the first-hand account of an event or a person's experience, at any point in time.